Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I can't wait for them to get here. When all of this started, I was filming and they were like, hey, we do that too. And they finally motivated me to create a Facebook and TikTok. Really enjoying my time on those platforms. Yesterday was 2 coats of that fast set and 1 coat of that topper. I think today is shower stuff, but not too sure. Let's see what happens. Gershon's got one of the lights up and now working on framing the shower. The plan is to have it tiled, I think 5-foot shower. Gonna buy him some lunch. I'll be back. We just finished eating, got some Hainan chicken and rice. The framing is going, even got a little recessed shower shelf there. See what happens next. Gershon's helping me patch some drywall in the front here, already starting to mud it. There's 2 more spots at the end of the hallway, drywall in, and I'm not sure what's next for the bathroom. Good morning. So I think not too much was done because they're waiting on the general contractor to give them okay on the framing before moving forward. I am very excited that the hallway patches were done. Excited to see them. It's only been a few days, but they feel like family and friends now. We hang out, talk social media. Let's wait for them. I just finished my morning patients and it looks like the framing is completed. Plumbing moved to the right spots. Gonna start mixing some concrete. I asked if he wanted Chinese food or Mexican food. He preferred Chinese, so let's go get some chicken and rice. Time for lunch. We're waiting for the concrete to set. I'm gonna go eat, go back to work, see my afternoon patients, come back. Hopefully we will get some more progress. I just got back and Edvin is working on the shower pan liner, also going live on TikTok. Everyone just left. I think I'm gonna cut this video here because I think they're gonna start toweling soon. Really enjoying the time with everyone. They are feeling like close friends and family. We are hanging out, talking social media. Can't wait to see what happens in the next few days. Video 302 done.